guys, I'm Leslie. Welcome to today's video. Hopefully if you're watching this in the future, what I'm about to say really doesn't matter to you and doesn't apply, but if you're watching this right now, you know we're all quarantined because of the coronavirus. So what better way to kill time than to spring clean our kitchen? My kitchen cabinets, oh my goodness, they're super messy. They just need to be reorganized and cleaned out. And especially because like right now, I just feel like I need to get everything clean in my house. So I hope this gives you motivation. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Let's get this started. Okay, so this is my favorite cabinet in the house. It's deep enough that I can hold like the rice cooker, my toaster, but because it's so handy, it gets used a lot and it is always messy. The toast crumbs on the bottom drive me nuts. Okay, so since we're trying to kill some germs up in here, I'm definitely using my Lysol kitchen cleaner. It's my go-to for these kinds of things. You can't go wrong with it. After a little more rearranging, this drawer is done. I really love this cabinet. It's like the perfect size to hold like my sandwich bags, my cling wrap. It just needs a quick wipe down and it'll be good to go. This drawer gives me heart palpitations when I open it. I don't know who I think I am, like a baker or something, but I have like a million different cake decorating items in here, and I don't even do that kind of thing. I noticed that when I was going through this that I had like 4 different things of little red crystals, and then I didn't even throw them away. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I think I'm gonna need them in the future, but I think honestly this drawer needs a little Marie Kondo. Yuck. Okay, so this is where I should have been getting rid of some items because wow, this is definitely not bringing me joy. Holy cow, look at my pot holders. They're so disgusting. Ugh. I am definitely going to be taking them and throwing right into the washing machine. I don't know about you guys, but I am the worst about washing these. This drawer is full of the most random odds and ends. I need to come up with a better way to just make it look more neat. And yes, that dot there on the bottom of that cabinet was a dead spider. Ew. Definitely was time to clean out my cabinets. Almost done with all the lower cabinets. Getting closer. Hello, cleaning supplies that are so impossible to find at the store right now. I love this mat that's underneath of here. It doesn't fit under my cabinet the best, but it definitely protects the cabinet from like all the water drippage and everything from the cleaning supplies. I highly recommend it. I love this small cabinet that fits between my dishwasher and my sink. It's perfect for like cookie sheets and my cutting boards. Do not judge my old pans. I swear I've had some of these pans for like 30 years. But I love this cabinet, but oh, this is what it always looks like. It's always such a mess. definitely needs to be cleaned. Now this is my kind of cabinet. This cabinet hardly ever gets dirty. It's always clean. This is probably my favorite cabinet. Okay, time for the upper cabinets. I didn't end up taking my dishes out on this lower cabinet because I recently just put down some contact paper because I felt like my dishes were scratching that cabinet, so I only did the upper parts of that cabinet. If you notice here, I'm also wiping down the outside of the cabinets too because you don't want to forget about those. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I was dreading doing these glass cabinets because I knew I was gonna have to pull all those glasses out and dust every single bit of it. But hey, it needed to be done. All right, here we go, last two cabinets. I love this cookbook. Okay, so this is the cabinet above my refrigerator, and I start to pull the stuff out, and then I realize, oh my goodness, I don't want to do this cabinet. I can't reach the stuff. I am just so over it at this point. So, back the stuff goes. Woohoo! I'm not doing this cabinet, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm tired now. And my cabinets weren't even that bad. I was pretty impressed. Hope this helps you guys out. Hope it gets you motivated to do your own. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.